very good evening to all of you, especially to our respected lecturer at the one. My name is Malik-microbe. I am the first year student of Bachelor Science with honor microbiology. Now I am at the end of this semester. In this video, I'm going to relate about the all topic that I learned from the start until the end of this courses. I'm going to relate this through my project, which is al-microbe, where I choose the Clostridium botulinum as my al-microbe. First of all, Clostridium botulinum is the bacteria. It means that it included in the microorganism, which is defined as a microscopic organism which exists everywhere and live independently. That we already learned in the first topic. My bacteria also is a prokaryote. Where in the first topic also we learned that prokaryote, on how to differentiate between the prokaryote and eukaryote. Prokaryote is lack of the nucleus, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. So from that I know that my bacteria is lack of nucleus, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus. After that, my bacteria is a gram-positive bacteria. In this topic also, we learned that on how to differentiate between the gram-positive and gram-negative. Into the process of staining, gram staining, we know that after the iodine treatment, gram-negative bacteria will be decolorized, but gram-positive does not happen. On the next topic, we learn in more detail on how to differentiate between the gram-negative and gram-positive in terms of characteristics. For example, the gram-positive bacteria have a thick peptidoglycan, but gram-negative has a thin peptidoglycan. Okay, another thing is when the gram reaction occur, the gram-positive bacteria will stand purple, but gram-negative will stand red. Exactly, there are too many things that we can make a differentiation between the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria that I can tell you here, because there are so many. But you can refer to the topic too. After that, to know that either my bacteria is produce endospore or not, we can use the endospore staining, which one of the special technique is staining. We use a malachite green as a stain. The green color show that the presence of spore. In order to complete my project, I also need to understand that how my bacteria reproduce, differentiate, and replicate. And to understand it, I need to understand the topic of genetics. If I can't tell you here because the genetics is too many that I can make a relation in order to complete my project. So you can refer to my al-microbe to see what I have done to make it make a relation. After that, as all of you know that Clostridium botulinum produce a neurotoxin which can harm our health. So the topic of epidemiology play an important role for me to understand that how the bacteria transmit the toxin, how the prevention that we can take in order to ensure that we are not infected by the Clostridium botulinum. Another thing that I can apply by studying this topic, I can apply it in my daily life. For example, when my food fall on the ground, I won't take it because the ecology of Clostridium botulinum is soil. So the food may already be infected by Clostridium botulinum, and when I eat it, it may infected me. So I won't take it. As I tell you that the ecology of Clostridium botulinum is soil, it means that Clostridium botulinum is anaerobic bacteria that we are learned in the topic of microbial metabolism. It means that the anaerobic is the bacteria cannot survive in the presence of oxygen. Actually, my bacteria is obligate anaerobe. It means that the oxygen is poisonous to itself. Okay, at the first thing that I do for my microbe is I do the classification, but the classification should follow the rule according to the Berger manual and systematic rule. In that topic also, we learn that what is made of our name of the bacteria. For example, Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium is come from the genus. Botulinum is come from the species. There actually so many things that I can make a relation, but the time is not allow me actually. to say everything. But before I end my video, I would like to thank Dr. Wan for teaching me and also my friend. I really appreciate it, and all the knowledge that you share, that she shared, and advice I will keep in my mind and apply in my daily life. Thank you. That's all from me.